Glad they're all back together. Let's get to Elise right now with the build-up until Thanksgiving and some real cold.
Yes, temperatures take a huge drop. I was going to say a dip, but it's way more than a dip.
Big drop.
It's a tumble, a roll down the temperature hill, if you will. Want to check in with our weather watchers and see what kinds of temperatures and conditions they're reporting at 11:34. There may even be some questions in there as well. We're looking at temperatures that really, well, it depends where you are. As we head way up north, we are looking at some pretty cold temperatures, just a few degrees above freezing. This is Chrissy in Esopus. She says it's 35 degrees. Her comment, winter's chill, is here way too early. She's not wrong. The temperature that we are experiencing and the ones that we're going to see on Thanksgiving, yeah, that's like a huge fast forward into December. Some locations still in the 40s. This is Stan. He's in Greenwich, Connecticut. He says it's 43. He says, Mary and I don't like the temperature drop predicted for Thanksgiving. Icky. Icky is one word you might use to describe it. Let's get to it. Here is a live look outside. This is from our camera atop the Empire State Building. Things look good. Doesn't feel too bad out there. Mostly cloudy, 42 degrees. Winds right now out of the east-northeast at 3 miles an hour. At 42 degrees, only 2 degrees off what our high temperature was today, because it wasn't very high. 45, one of the warmest temps we could find. That was Islip. 44 degrees the high today in Central Park, but same for JFK, LaGuardia, and Newark, Bridgeport at 42 for a high. So nowhere near where we should be as far as our highs are. The National Weather Service has 53 is what we consider normal for this time of the year. Obviously, you take a look at the temp trend from last week Friday until this coming Tuesday. No 50s in the mix there. But tomorrow will be the closest. We are expecting forecast high of 49, so we'll be pretty close to at least 50, if not that 53. As far as wet weather is concerned, we have a slight chance on Monday, a better chance on Tuesday to see some wet weather. And remember, we don't really need it. We have a huge surplus year to date. Over 12 inches as far as the rainfall is concerned. The good news is we are expecting dry conditions for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So big travel days, Thanksgiving itself. May not be warm, but it will be dry. Right now, we're looking at this. This is what we have on your Vortex satellite and radar. You can see we continue to see some snow moving across the area, but really it's sort of skirting our northern suburbs. So for tonight, we'll continue to see those flakes to the north. As we head into your Monday, a chance to see some light rain, so there's that possibility. Tuesday looks like a better chance of seeing some rain for most of the area, but then some of the higher elevation north and west could see a little bit of wintry weather. So this is basically what it looks like for late Monday into Tuesday. Again, light rain for most of us. Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess, a few other locations. 1 to 3 inches of snow possible in the highest elevations. Tomorrow, not as cold, 49 degrees. There's the good news. And then I mentioned the tumble for Thanksgiving. There it is, 31 degrees. That's the high that we're expecting on Thanksgiving Day. Again, and that's also in the city. As we head into some of our suburbs, even colder. Take a look there. The coldest Thanksgiving, though, on record, only 15 degrees. So when you look at it comparatively, it's not the worst. But sub-freezing conditions pretty much all day long for Thanksgiving itself, but the sun will be out.
The winds, that's the key thing as well.
A little bit windy, so we'll keep you posted.
Thank you, Elise.